Hello, my name is Jordan.
And my name is Farid, and this is a quick demo of our Project One, a hotel reservation site for the fictional Tropical Bite Hotel. Starting off with this page here, this is our home page, displaying helpful information to our potential guests while displaying the site navigation at all times. So starting off with the home page here, this is how you book the reservations, which is also here, but we'll talk about that later. This is the check-in time and the checkout time. This is all the amenities that our hotel offers, like free food, free Wi-Fi, free parking, etc. This is some of the general stuff that's included in our hotel. And this here is some of the local attractions that are available that close to our hotel. We can go by clicking here or by clicking here. So here's the page dedicated to the interesting places in the surrounding area from our hotel, including activities, food, and other attractions. As you can see here, there's a list of them. And if you see you hover on the image is getting bigger, you can actually click that image to learn more about it at their site. At any time, if a customer has questions, they can view our contact information by clicking here. These are our names, our emails, and our pretend phone numbers.
If a customer wishes to stay with us for their vacation, they can proceed to the booking page here or by going from the main page to this link as well. They can enter in the dates they wish to stay. Let's say in this case, we want to stay for the entirety of spring break next week. They can enter the dates that they wish and check what rooms are available. Unfortunately, it means there are no rooms at this time because it looks like all the rooms were booked up for that week. So if we cancel and just go back, let's say instead we want to pick like a month from now instead, where say like April 7th to April 11th, very far in advance. We could check room availability. Here we can see a list of all the rooms that are available under their specific IDs, the room types, so like double beds, queen beds, whatever whatever the person wants to stay for, the price per night, and the capacity for the room. So let's just say for that entire week, I just want one big king bed. I could hit book now. It remembers what my booking was. And then we just have to fill out the respective form. So I'll fill it out with some of my information. So my name, Jordan Murphy, email, I'll do my school email. Number of adults, it's a maximum of capacity too. So I'll say 2 adults, 0 children. And then it will take us to a quick confirmation page to just verify all the information that we have here. And then this is the last chance that a customer can choose to cancel or submit the reservation into the site. So let's submit it. And it gives us a nice reservation is confirmed page. And we need to remember this code right here in order to check our reservation at any time.
Yep, so using their confirmation number, customers can check their reservations at any time by submitting it over here. So if we click this button here, the site will list all the rooms reserved under their reservations, and the customer can choose to cancel their reservation by clicking here.
Mhm. Now on to the more administrative side of the site for the staff to manage everything that's going on. So if we log in with the administrator account in the database, so Tropical Byte, and the password at which I know is simple is admin pass 123, just as an example account for any administrator that's within the system. They could hit login. They get a list of all available rooms that are in the hotel's database where they can choose to say edit the values for any room. Say we want to up the price of 2 queen beds to say 450. We hit this button to update, and then it will update the value accordingly. Say we want to add another room, say like 180. king bed and we'll make it like an ocean view. And we know the ocean views are definitely going to be a lot more pricey. So we could say it's like 200 extra above the king bed. And we'll do similar capacity of 2. If I click this button right here, once we scroll back down, you can see it is saved in here and a new set of buttons is made in case the administrators want to make a new room. Say we want to get rid of this listing, we could just hit this little trash can icon right here, and it will get rid of the listing from the database. At the bottom down here, we can see the list of all reservations that are in the system. You can see for this case was a previous attempt of mine, which is why the spring break one that I tried to do earlier was not available. This reservation is booked for multiple rooms, so it lists each type of room. So room ID 1 for reservation 1, 2, 3, and so on. At any point, the administrator can choose to delete the reservation. Say if a customer had some issues, or if if the customer did not pay and they need to be cleared from the system in order to allow further booking, we could just hit this delete button right here. The site will refresh, and all reservations that were under that confirmation number are completely removed. And that was our site.